Sarthak, how should I do this question? B part?
So first we will do the LCM of 3 and 6. So it will be 6. So 2x upon 6 plus y upon 6. So it will be x plus y upon 6.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to 2x upon 6. This will be y upon 6. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
So the answer would be Ariman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ariman, how should I do C part?
So you find the LCM. So
LCM?
What's up?
What is the LCM?
So the 12.
Okay.
So we will multiply both. So we multiply y with 4. I mean, with 1 and 3x with 3.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay. Yeah.
So final answer would be 12x plus 4 upon 12. Yes, I made a mistake. I multiplied by 4. So it's actually 9x upon 12.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
So why did we multiply 3? I didn't understand. On y.
Yeah, so we multiply that by 1 only.
See, it is the same method that we are doing. It is the same thing that we are doing when we were doing 3 by 4 plus 1 by 12. So for example, when I have to solve this, what do? I take the LCM. So this is 4 into 3. Acha, I have made a mistake this. Oh, okay. I have made a mistake. Okay. So this should be 1 here. Sarthak, is it what you were saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I made a mistake here. So this would be 9x plus y. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
So the same method we are doing when we are doing simple addition also. So this would be 4 into 3 and 3 into 3 plus 12 into 1 or 1 into 12. So this will be 9 plus 1 upon 12. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sarthak, how should I do this? B part?
So the LCM of 6 and 18 is 18. So it will be 6 into 3 and 5x into 3. So it will be 15x upon 18 minus y upon 18. So 5x minus y upon 18.
Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Satya, how should I do this F part?
So, sir, we have to find the LCM. Then we have to sir, it would be same, I guess, because how do you have to find the LCM? Okay, sir, sorry, sir. So we have to multiply 4. Yeah. Then we have to do 3a and plus b upon 7 into 4. So then we have to do 3a
Have you understood?
yes, sir.
Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, how should I do this part?
So first we have to find the LCM. So So the LCM would be 3. Then we have to multiply 6 by.
So no, LCM is so how can the LCM be 27? It's 18.
Sorry, yaar, it would be 18. Okay.
Yeah. Then
Is
we
it
have
okay
to
now?
multiply.
Yes, sir.
We have to multiply 2, then 5a into 2 plus 5b into 2. Sorry, 5b into 3. Yeah. Then we have to do 10a upon 18 plus 15b upon 18. So 25 upon 18. No,
Mr.
sorry.
Ariman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, H part.
So we have to do we have to find the LCM. Sir, how do we have to find the LCM with this?
How did you find the LCM of this?
So I did like I made that prime factorization one, and then I found it. Yeah.
This is how you did it.
Yes, sir.
So here also you'll do the same thing. So 7b. 7 1 the b. Then b. So the LCM would be 7b.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So the LCM is 7b. What should I do next?
so we have to multiply a into 7b, then 7 upon then minus 5 into 7 and b into 7. Then
Mr.
we have
Ariman,
to
any doubt?
do
No, sir. It's correct, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
no, sir.
Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, how should I do this?
So we have to find the LCM. So the
What would be the
LCM
LCM?
would be okay, so then we have to do 2a into 30. No, sorry. 9. Yeah. Then we have to do minus 5 into so it's 36b.
So
Is there
he's
any
saying
mistake?
45 upon 36.
36.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. But I just had one question.
Yeah.
So how? So you got 8ab. So I got 2a into 4b. So you multiplied 4 into 2. So that's allowed.
Yeah, multiplication of unlike terms is allowed. That is what we discussed in the first lecture. I can multiply these two. I can multiply these two.
Okay.
Mr. Satya, do we have any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
See, please try to understand. That is what we discussed in the like unlike terms multiplication.
Yes, sir. I just got confused because the symbols were different, like A and B. That's why.
No, that is a common confusion. That is not an issue. So let us look at the difference between these two. Now, when I am multiplying, तो मैं हर किसी को multiply कर सकता हूँ. 7 into 2 is 14. Or A, B, B, it will be AB square. Have you understood? But जब मैं add कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं सिर्फ इन दोनों को add कर सकता हूँ. So this will be 7A plus 3. Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Of course, algebra is confusing, but and this is what basically this is what you will be doing in class 11, 12th. And if you don't understand this now, then 11, 12th, you have to do calculus. Then it becomes really a big problem if you're not able to understand these kind of things. Mr. Satya.
Yes, sir.
So then it becomes really challenging. Just try to do these questions. All the questions. Yeah, Satya, how should I do this?
So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1 into x plus 1 into y upon xy.
Sir, what would be the LCM?
Okay, sir.
Mr. Ariman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the LCM would be XY. In all these questions, we have to find the LCM first. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the LCM would be XY. Then I repeat the same process again and again and again. There is nothing new in these questions. The same question again and again and again. What should I do, Satya? X would be multiplied by? Yeah.
Xy.
Y.
Sorry, y and 1
What?
into y. Then
Y would be multiplied by?
y into x and 1 into x. So it would become y upon xy plus x upon xy. Y. Yes, x.
Mr. Sarthak, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Arvind, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, how should I do this? What will be the LCM?
So the LCM would be CD. So we have to do 1 into D upon C into D plus 1 into C upon D into C. So it would be D upon CD and C upon DC. Sorry, CD.
Mr. Arvind, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya?
Yes, sir.
So, and this isn't equal to 1.
No, this is not equal to 1.
If it was multiplication, then it would be 1.
This is not equal to 1. This is equal to 1.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No.
Sir, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, it is pretty simple. Is 7 plus 2 and 7 into 2 equal to 1?
No.
So how can this be equal to 1?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, how should I do this?
So we have to find the LCM. So LCM is xy. So 1 upon y upon 1 into y and x upon x into y minus 1 into x upon y into x. So y upon xy minus x upon xy, which would be equal to x minus y upon xy. Sorry, y minus x upon x.
Mr. Arvind, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, D part.
So the LCM would be AB. So we have to do 2 into B upon A into B plus 1 into A upon B into A. So it would be equal to 2b upon AB plus 1 plus A upon AB, which would be equal to 2b plus A upon AB.
Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, E part.
So the LCM would be Mn. So 5 into n upon m into n minus 2 upon m into 2 into n upon 2 into m upon n into m, which would be equal to 5n upon mn minus 2m upon nn. So it would be equal to 5n minus 2n upon nn.
Or should I do F part?
So the LCM would be GH. So 3 into H upon G into H minus 4 into G upon H into G. So it would be equal to 3H upon GH minus 4G upon H. So upon GH, which would be equal to G 3H minus 4G upon GH.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.